President Bongbong Marcos says the fate of the Independent Commission for Infrastructure rests with the body itself, citing its independent nature. In a briefing on Tuesday, February 3, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro cites a discussion with Marcos regarding the future of the ICI. According to Castro, Marcos is leaving it up to the ICI to decide the next steps.
Kung ano po ang magiging desisyon ng ICI, yun po ang maaari maging tugon ng Pangulo. Kung kinakailangan nila ng tulong sa executive, ibibigay po. Pero kung ano po ang magiging destiny ng ICI, kung ano ang magiging susunod na magalaw nila, yan po ay pinauubaya ng Pangulo sa ICI bilang independent commission.
Castro was then asked how the ICI could reach such a decision given that it lacks commissioners. Only the retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Andres Reyes Jr. remains as its sole commissioner. According to Castro, the matter is still up to the body. Asked to clarify whether the decision to dissolve also rests with the ICI, Castro responds in the affirmative. If the ICI intends to appoint more commissioners to fulfill its mandate, Castro says the commission must discuss the matter directly with Marcos. While the commission may submit its suggestions to the president, Castro says that there is no information on whether it has submitted any report. She says the last report Marcos received concerned the resignation of former commissioners, namely former Public Works Secretary Babe Singson and Rosana Fajardo.
Kasi po, ngayon po, ayaw po talaga makialam ng Pangulo sa ginagawa ng ICI kasi independent body po sila. Kung ano man po ang kanilang suwestyon, maaari po nila ito ibigay sa Pangulo. Sa ngayon, kasalukuyan ay wala pa po tayo nalalaman kung nakapagbigay na sila ng report. So, siguro po mas maganda kung makakapagbigay sila ng complete report patungkol sa kanilang mga natapos para po mapag-usapan kung ano po talaga ang gusto ng ICI.